Oh, hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of Euro USD. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, you can subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. So let's get started. My dear friends, if you're new to the channel and if you're looking for detailed analysis, then you can watch the video that I uploaded on Saturday, where we have talked in detail about all the important levels and how we have derived those levels. But if you look at the chart of Euro USD right now, then we can see that Euro USD, after hitting the low of 1.0710, it is trying to go up again. Yesterday when I made the video, market was standing somewhere around here and it was going for a temporary bounce also. Okay, to be honest, I was hoping that market would give us a profit of 25-30 or more than that profit. Okay, but the reversal did not come and market dropped suddenly. Because if we just observe the present trend, we can clearly see that the selling pressure is still very high. Though Euro USD has bounced from the support zone right now, okay, still I am not very confident on the trade, because if you look at the overall trend of the market here, then yes, the overall trend of the market is very much towards the upside. There is no doubt about it. But if we simply observe the present trend, then yes, the present trend is under the dominance of sellers. So there is a contradiction with the overall trend and the present trend of the market. I'll try to keep the video very short because, to be honest, I do not see any strong trading opportunities on the chart of Euro USD. Okay, I will just discuss the minor opportunities that I see on the chart right now, so it will not take much time. Okay, first of all, let's have a look at the chart of DXY. DXY was extremely bullish yesterday. Okay, and right now is under consolidation. DXY is standing at 103.44. DXY is bullish. Dollar climbs as treasury yields pop on further Fed hike forecast. You can see the dollar hovered near a 1-month peak on Tuesday as traders raised their forecast of US Federal Reserve interest rate levels needed to tame inflation, as a stubbornly resilient labor market remains largely immune to aggressive rate hikes. So as a result, the overall sentiment is bullish on US dollar or DXY right now. And most importantly, we have Fed Chair Powell speech today. So yes, this will bring some volatility to the market. So please please be careful during the speech, especially beginners, new traders. Try to close your US dollar, all the US dollar positions before the news. Okay. Observe the market, learn from the market volatility, but be careful during the news. Yes, now about Euro USD. First of all, day traders, you may see some sort of selling around the 200 moving average, because the 200 moving average was the previous support for the market, dynamic support. So today, if market goes up, then yes, there is a slight possibility, not a very good possibility, slight possibility that market will face some resistance around 1.0756 or 1.0760. Around this level there is a possibility market will face some resistance. If market reverses, you can look for a quick sell position around 20-25 pips. Okay, on the other hand, if market breaks it, then we have another level around 1.0800. Okay, why we're considering this level? Because previously market took support around this area and market bounced. So previous support may also act as resistance. So as a result, we are also considering this option as well, but for day traders only. Swing traders, my dear swing traders, your positions usually last for 3 days, 5 days, 1 week, 10 days or more than that. So this is not the ideal market or ideal opportunities for swing traders right now. Whatever I have discussed, these levels are mostly for day trading purpose only, and to be honest, these levels are also not very reliable. Personally, I will not trade. So if you are in deep love with Euro USD, then you feel free to trade, because personally, see, you can see I have a long list. Okay, so my theory is simple. I only trade on those levels that I'm confident on. And after maintaining such a long list also, okay, okay, sometimes our SLs hit. Okay, so again I'm repeating, if market goes up, then you can observe the market around a 200 moving average. If market reverses from 200 moving average, if you see some reversal, you can go for a quick sell. In case market goes up, then this is another resistance from where you can expect the market to reverse. If market reverses, you can look for some sell position or sell opportunities in the market. Personally, my dear friends, if you are in a very tight spot right now, if you are not in a position to afford lose any money, okay, because of some bad trades for the last couple of days, then this is not the chart for you. Okay, because right now we do not have any reliable levels. Keep in mind, we are traders, we are retail traders, we do not drive the market. We do not drive the market. So as a result, it is not possible also for us to understand the market at each and every level. Okay, if somebody claims that he can predict the market, okay, then it's a lie, it's a scam. Okay, so my dear friends, this is the harsh reality of the market, that it is not possible for us to understand the market at each and every level. So as a result, it is better to trade only on those levels that we understand. In case DXY shows extreme bullishness during the day and DXY starts flying, then obviously you can look for a sell position on the chart of Euro USD or GBP USD. That's a different chapter. But otherwise, technically on the chart of GB Euro USD, okay, the levels are very limited right now. Yes, we have a very strong support zone around this area, around 1.0500, but this level is quite far away. And if you're wondering also to draw Fibonacci, then yes, we can draw Fibonacci also here as well. And you can see that around 1.0688 or 1.0690 level, around this level, we also have Fibonacci 61.8%. So if market comes down to this level, you can expect a minor bounce, but keep in mind that present trend of the market is very bearish. Okay, so do not expect, if you want to take a buy position, do not expect a complete big bounce. Okay, once you get 20-25 pips, try to book your profits, because this is the seller's time right now, seller's time going on. So if market forms two big green candles, okay, then one red candle will engulf the previous two green candles. This is what happens when you go against the trend of the market. Okay, so be careful, do not gamble with your hard-earned money. Capital protection should be your first priority always as a trader. As I always say, this is my analysis, I can be wrong as well, so please follow your own risk management. Bye bye, take care.